I basically never ride sitting, but I'm going to try to do this for you guys. But I have to say, this is the reason why I don't use a seat. I'll let you know why I'm going to use the seat anyway. Oh, was definitely not the best experience in the world. I'm bleeding, but I'll let you know why I'm going to still have a seat. If you want to know everything about this, stay tuned until the end of the video. So like you could see, I just fall on the Inmotion V11 using the seat, and that will bring the reason why I don't ride with seats, because I think it's really hard to basically brake with it. At least for my experience, I don't feel safe riding sitting on an electric unicycle, and I'm a bit in pain. So the seat have a big purpose for me, okay? Not so much to ride with it, but have another benefit that for me is essential, and that is something that I've been asking for other brands to have it included. I don't need that is high, I don't need that type of experience, but if it's for you, I have to say that is really comfortable. And even for me, that even if I just fall, because like I said to you guys, I'm not someone that rides sitting, I don't feel that it is safe at all. You don't have the control on the wheel as you have when you are standing up. Because of this, I really don't think that a seat is a solution for driving, but is a solution for other moments. And in this time of pandemic, it becomes quite relevant, and I will explain you why. When you are just going around, and in this case you go to Royal Mail, or you go somewhere that you need to purchase something, you need to be in the queue with your electric unicycle, you are able to basically stop and sit on your electric unicycle. If you are going around with your friends, you sit for a coffee, and in these times of pandemic also it's not good to sit where other people sit. You have a seat always with you wherever you stop, just to eat or to just talk a little bit or to wait for someone. The size of it is perfect for someone of my size. I'm 169. I just sit there really easily. Having no handle on the front like you have, for example, on the Sherman, it's obviously harder for you to just lean backwards and brake. Another thing that I really like, or why I never basically use seats on my wheels, and now that I think that for the Inmotion V11 it's simply the best option that you have on the market, is when you have a seat and you need to use your handle, you need to remove the seat to use the handle, and that becomes not comfortable at all. And when you are using the Inmotion V11, what you can do is really simple. So you just stop your electric unicycle. Another thing just to point it out is you don't have a place to grab your wheel, so that is a disadvantage that you have with the seat on the Inmotion V11. But after, you just press on beneath and you push, and what happens is now I continue to have my handle here, so I can just walk with my electric unicycle without a problem. Okay, so that is a benefit that you have with this one. And after, if you need to lift it up, you can. And after, you just close your seat and you can restart once again. I'm a bit in pain because I'm not with the same protections. On the top I have FishEye protective gear. Once again, thank you very much. But on the bottom I'm using, unfortunately, just G-form. And the level of protections is not comparable with FishEye protective gear. Another thing that I want just to point it out on this seat, that it can become a bit annoying, and I just explained that on the power pad. So if you want the power pads, I don't think that is the best combination of the two, only if you do the hack that I explained on the other video. So if you don't have seen, definitely check that out. And the other thing that can be a little bit annoying for you is that the seat on the middle, it's a little bit wide. So what you could do, and it will solve obviously this issue, if you have a big backpack, you can basically put your seat there and take it out when you need to sit for a long period of time. Or if it's annoying you, the same that I'm using for the power pads, you can basically remove your seat and put it back when you need it, because it's slightly large and I'm quite small. My knees, they are always hitting on the inside of the seat. It can be a little bit uncomfortable after a while, but besides that, the seat is super comfortable. So when you need to sit, it's really good to ride. Man, maybe you will have much better skills to ride with a seat, but it's not something that I'm used to do, and using a camera is definitely not the best. Obviously there are other guys that likes to do it. I don't think that it's safe to use a seat to ride, but if you want a seat to be ergonomically well built on your wheel, that you can use when you need to sit because you are on the queue, or you need to sit because you are riding for a long period of time and you don't want to sit where other people are, because of this COVID-19. Even if it's not the COVID-19, it's not that you can find a seat everywhere, yeah? I believe that this is for you. I hope that this answered for you guys my opinion about a seat. My name is Marco, this is Matt Peck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you in the next one.